Hello everyone. How are you guys? Welcome back to the stream again. Let's see how it goes. Today's NFP. Good evening, good evening. Okay, so today I pass another account. I will update you everything on my funding pips account. I have two funding pips account currently. Both of them are 25K. So yesterday on live, I passed one account yesterday for phase one. And again today I pass another one that is on also funding pips. So I got already two accounts already passed phase one, and but overall I got some issues with QT, not for drawdown and all, but I think that could be my mistakes, but I'm not sure. I will discuss you today on this live about QT. They have some like rules and regulation about some risk percentage, so I'm not aware about that before. Uh, but it can, if that already affected, or uh, if they like if they don't want to be funded for me, then it will be affected to my account. So I have 550K account on QT, but three of them it's already fine, but two of them I have some confusion with their rules and regulation, but let's find out today. And yesterday I told you on gold, like if yesterday if it takes out, I'll show you in 5 minute time frame. Let me check this camera first. Okay. Yesterday on live, I just mentioned that if it takes out this loss in gold, then I will wait for this drop to take out this loss, and from this area I just want to buy again until this high. So it was doing exactly what I mentioned yesterday on live, and on this low of this price, I just don't get any entry on this level. But lately I got some entry over here, like somewhere here, and I got somewhere like this kind of setup today. So I took around somewhere here. So this is my setup for gold. I hold until today, so it was very good for me. And let's see, for now I just want to wait some 5 to 10 minutes for this money manipulation to over, and I will look for my potential setup again. Maybe on EU, GU, USD, JPY. I just send this on our Telegram channel as well. Like from yesterday, this low is very likely to taken out on UZ, that is USD, JPY. So it was going with my bias, but this could be a manipulation and it can further go down again. Come on, brother Jordan, brother Jordan. To start trading, there are different types of applications. Like I just want to know that what are you really talking about, or are you talking about funded accounts, or are you talking about demo, or are you talking about live accounts? There are so many applications. Like, are you talking about to learn something from application or anything else? So there are many types. So just let me know the types. What are you looking for? Yes, brother. That's why we need to be very careful during news. So my suggestion or my advice would be, please don't participate in such kind of news. You can participate before that, or just wait for news to release, and then after news you can uh, do whatever you want. But during news it can be very very volatile. You can face kind of a slippage. Anybody know about slippage? You can uh, lose your account due to slippage, or the spread will be very high, very big. So we need to be very careful about that. Yes, brother. Brainy, for funding pips, for challenge phase one and phase two, daily drawdown is 5%, and you can risk whatever you want within that 5%. And after you got the master account, the daily drawdown will be always 5%, but you cannot risk more than 3% in a single trade or in a running trade overall. But daily drawdown maximum is 5%, but you cannot risk in a one time single trade or overall combined running trade more than 3%. That is the rule, only for master account for funding pips. See this manipulation, guys, upside and downside both. So you need to be very very careful. See, buy side taken out, sell side taken out. So this is called a very clear manipulation. So you need to be very 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 careful about this news. Even though you are buying or selling, you will get liquidated. And okay, I got the mail from funding pips. One more account is passed right now. um, yep, again one more is passed. This is phase one, just passed 5 to 10 minutes before. Let me see what I got. um, okay, I hope gold is going little bit higher from here, but let's wait for some confirmation. And yep, Nasdaq is exactly doing what I want on price. But for Nasdaq and S&P 500, I don't want to participate before 9:30 openings. This could be also a manipulation, so I will wait until then. But for now, I will closely look for Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and gold. This could be uh, my assets for now. Silver is doing good. Expansion, retracement to this gap, plus this could be a order block. It was touching this order block, and this dotted line will be the equilibrium of this big gap. So this is kind of a 50% of that, and covering this for our fair value gap. Let's see. So I just need to be very 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 careful for my trades on QT, because on QT I have three challenge account, phase 2 challenge account, and two uh, instant account. All of them are 50K. So for instant account, I don't have that confusion. I already cleared that. I'm still going with instant account very smoothly. And from these three challenge account, one of them I'm already about to pass, and on this account I have no confusion as well. Everything is clear. But this remaining 50K two account, I got some confusion with my drawdowns because I don't hit my daily drawdown and overall drawdown. But I got some news that uh, we are not able to risk more than 75% of our daily drawdown or overall drawdown. So according to that rule, maybe I can be violate that kinds of rule because I don't aware until yesterday. So only just today I just uh, got that information. So I need to be very careful about that. That is the only concern right now. And rest of the account, everything fine for funding pips. Already got passed yesterday. I got already passed phase one in another account. Today I got already passed another phase one account. So both of them will be in phase two from today, and one more. So for QT, I need to be very careful right now. So let me check for that. See this kind of manipulation. See. Yes, brother, for sure. I mamangdadi thagatkhrabani ko for payout request ko. You can check on my channel, but in this coming payout, I will 100% I will make videos for that, or I can do live. I will come live and I will request my payout in front of all of you. It will be fine, right? Let's see. I'm still bullish on gold, but I don't have that perfect setup right now. Let's wait. Let's wait some time, bro. Let's wait some time. Give me some time. Let me analyze the market. Then just cool and calm. Don't be very rush. I just want to date or this and that. Just calm down. Take your time. I will take my time, and then let's see if we got some setup and all. If we see that, then we will took our position according to our risks. If we don't see our setup, that's totally fine. So my request will be, don't be very rush and all. I just want to trade. I need to pass this and that. Just calm down. Let me have my, this could be my lunch. Not dinner, lunch. So I will show you my dashboard. Okay, so this is my funding pips dashboard, and you can see yesterday I passed, yeah, yesterday I passed this account, and today I passed this account. So both of them is already clear phase one. So now from today onwards, I will be trading on phase two. So phase two, I need to get 5% to pass phase two, and then I will be funded. And I am still planning to buy some more challenge account on funding pips. It could be within this weekend. I will add 2 or 3 challenge account that will also be 25K. But let's see. I'm planning for that. I just need challenge. I just need challenge. My right now my focus is to pass as much as possible challenge. I will not focus on my funded account. I am not focusing on payouts and all until March, this first quarter of this year. According to my plan, my focus or my 100% work is to pass challenge or is to get funded as much as possible. That is my plan. And after that, March or after March or April, I will get funded, maybe 5 funded account, different account, or 10 funded account, whatever it is. Then I will focus on uh, withdrawal again, payout again. So before March, maybe until April, my focus is 100% passing challenge account. That will be my focus. Yes, I can get some payouts within that from my instant account and all. That's totally fine. But right now, my 100% focus is to pass as much as possible. Okay, here it is, guys. My two account is already passed, so I'm planning to add more challenge account that can be started from phase one again, and these two will be started in phase two. Okay, and for QT, I will show you my QT as well. So for QT, maybe I'm not 100% sure, but maybe I got some information that uh, out of these 5 account on QT, 2 of them are instant, 3 of them are step 2 challenge. So out of that, these two bot instant account is totally going very smoothly. It's nothing else. It's totally fine. I'm just waiting for my payout on that uh, account. But on step 2 challenge, one account is already about to pass my phase one. I will be not rushing on that account. Maybe as long as, let's say, Friday tak pakar lo, I will pass my account within Friday for QT as well. But 2 account, I have just some confusion with that 2 account because I am not exceeding my overall drawdown or my daily drawdown. But yesterday I got some information that uh, even though I didn't breach overall or daily drawdown for QT during challenge phase, I am not eligible as a trader to risk more than 75% of my total drawdown amount. It could be daily drawdown or overall drawdown. So according to that rule, maybe I will bridge to that 250K account. So that is the only concern right now. Still, I'm not sure for that. So let's see. Maybe it may be pass or fail. I just don't care. But that is a big lesson for me. In when I'm trying another account on QT, I must be very careful about that. For funding pips news, let's say only for funding pips, you are not allowed to trade 5 minutes before the news and 5 minutes after the news. Total, this 10-minute time frame, you are not allowed to trade or any modify any previous trade or something. You are not allowed to trade. That's clear. And if you can allow holding on this news, if you are already entering your position 5 hours before the news, that only that is allowed to hold your position. Are you clear? And during this 10-minute time frame, 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after, let's say if it does hit your stop loss while holding your trade, then it will be counted. Or if it does hit your target or TP during this 10-minute time frame, it will not be counted as a profit. But it will be counted only when your trade is placed 5 hours before the news. Brother, uh, I don't know how to pronounce his name. Are you clear, brother? See this manipulation, upside and downside. Even though you are buying or if you are selling, you will get liquidated. So that's why be very, very careful. So this is 15 minutes on DXY. It just taken out this all liquidities over here, filling this gap on 1 hour, plus in 4 hour as well, this fair value gap. Plus it was hitting this volume gap over here from this low to this opening price. This is a volume gap from this candle closing price to this candle opening price. So I'm already, yeah, this one, this area, it's already hitting this volume gap. Plus within this volume gap, we have this 4 hour fair value gap, a small fair value gap, but very important fair value gap. It is also hitting over here, and we got some rejection from here. Plus this is 4 hour fair value gap from Monday's price action. So from this, it can be rejected, or it can be again take out some liquidity subside. But for me, if it comes down, I just want to see to take out these lows first, and then I will decide my bias. Okay, GU for GU, It does all take out these liquidities downside, this low, this all liquidities, and this low is forming over here. This is order block, plus you see some gap over here. You see this gap. This is called, this is on Monday, so it will be new week opening gap. So it was respecting from this level, rejecting from this level. I will show you. Yeah, this one, this one. You see over here, that is price action. Let me wait. Gold can, let's see, in this 4 hour time frame on gold, you see this candle. This is 4 hour candle. So if it wants to go higher on gold, my first confirmation would be maybe in 1 hour or 2 hour time frame, this long wick upside. I just want to see to break at least 50% of this wick by candle closing. If I want to buy on gold right now, minimum in 1 hour time frame, I will wait until to close the candle above 50% of this long wick. It could be somewhere here. That is